I wanted to share with you my view. So I'm at my office, Compass, on Front Street, Coupeville. And so yes. So many people think that we have nonstop rain in our winter. Whidbey Island, we've got this nice little thing we call a rain shadow. And so a lot of our rain will either go to the Olympics or it will go to the Cascades. And so quite often we do have the gray weather. It might be misty, but Piper and I just finished a hike. We're still dry. I just have on a little sweater and a jacket. And this is our view. And so I typically still paddleboard. I bike, I kayak in the winter. And this is what we get. I mean, this is beautiful. And look at the ducks. I might be a little biased, but I think this is an awesome place to call home. So if you have other questions, if you want to see more videos, move to whidbey.com and definitely buzz me and message me if you have other questions.